What's going on, everybody? Tonight we're going to show you how to make a quick chimichurri. Let's get started. All right, friends, so I plan on here in about an hour making some quick shrimp on the Blackstone. I was like, you know what? I need a chimichurri to go with it tonight. That sounds really good. So that's what we're going to do. And of course, you could use the chimichurri on anything else you're making. Maybe you got some pork tenderloin, some steak, whatever you want to use it on. But this is just a quick chimichurri we're going to make tonight. So we're going to start with some fresh parsley. So what I'm looking to do is pull some of that parsley off, and we're going to pull those stems out as well. We're looking to chop up here what will be about a cup of fresh parsley. All right, so as we're chopping that up, I don't make chimichurri that often, but I really love it, and I love it when I go places and it's just, you can tell when you get a good one and when you get a bad one, that's for sure. All right, friends, we get this chopped up just a little bit more, and then we're going to go with our next ingredient. All right, so go ahead and scoop that up. We're going to put that in our bowl here. All right, next we're going to go with just a little bit of fresh cilantro, which will end up being probably about, I don't know, about a quarter cup here of fresh chopped cilantro when we're done. Now you notice I'm just pulling it right off the top. I don't pull just the leaves off. It doesn't matter if you're going to chop it nice and fine, all right? So it's all going to taste the same when it hits the mouth. Trust me. You're not going to notice the difference. You just want to get a nice fine chop on that. All right, got that cilantro ready to roll. Throw that in there as well. So next thing we're going to do, take a couple cloves of fresh garlic. Get that smashed. I can get those peeled a little bit here. There we go. Pull that, all of that casing off the outside of that clove of garlic, and then what we're gonna do is try our best to chop it so it's nice and fine, almost to a minced feeling on that garlic as well. I love using fresh garlic. Now, don't get me wrong. There's a time and place for that little jar of that minced garlic that you can buy at the grocery store. Just leave it in the refrigerator for quick and easy, especially a weeknight recipe. But there's nothing better than fresh garlic, my friends. When we used to live in Oregon, there was a little town right outside where we lived that always had like this elephant garlic festival like every year. So good, so darn good. And the recipes people were making with that garlic, just love it. All right, we'll get this chopped up nice and fine, and then we're going to go with a few more ingredients. Get it all tossed in this bowl right over here. Now you could use a mincing tool if you like, but I am trying my best not to dirty up very many dishes here. Call it economical, call it lazy, whatever you want. It doesn't matter, but there we go. All right, got that garlic. We're going to throw that in there as well, my friends. All right, so there we go. So that's the next one. So now we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. So this will be probably about, I'm going to guess about a half a cup of olive oil I'm going to put in here. There we go. Perfect. All right, and then we're going to throw in just a little bit of red wine vinegar, probably equal out about 2-ish tablespoons here. Get that open there for myself. All right, we'll get that going. There we go, perfect. All right, and then we're going to throw in a little bit of fresh lime juice. We're not going to buy that lime juice in that jar or that bottle at the grocery store. We're going to get ourselves just a single lime. Squeeze a little bit of fresh lime juice in there as well. Fresh ingredients are better, my friends. Awesome. All right, so we got that going here. So we add a little bit of some red chili flakes. This will be about a teaspoon or so. Perfect. All right, we got that going there. All right, so we got everything up, just a little dash of salt, a little dash of pepper. And we'll take ourselves a spoon. We'll start mixing that all together. And then once I have it mixed, that's going to be kind of my quick chimichurri that I'm going to use for just a couple of shrimp skewers that we're going to do on that black stone. Once again, you could double, triple, whatever you need to do with this recipe to have enough chimichurri to put on whatever steak, pork tenderloin, whatever you're doing, and enjoy as well. That, my friends, is that chimichurri. Hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Don't forget,